back again with another great recipe for you. We're doing pineapple fried rice, probably one of my most favorite fried rices there are out there. I guess there's a lot, but this is a good one. Again, another Thai recipe, which I love. And this one is actually inspired by a blogger friend's cook-off that I was just a part of over on IG. Come check me out at Rue Story. But we were given 3 ingredients: pineapple juice, basil, and cinnamon, and we had to come up with a recipe using these 3 ingredients, kind of like MasterChef style. So this is my submission. It's a pineapple fried rice, super quick, super easy, great way to use up any leftover veggies you have lying around. You can mix up whatever veggies you like into this. The base really is some egg and some of the sauce. Of course, rice, and that's about it. The rice is where I put the cinnamon, so I always boil my rice with a stick of cinnamon in it, and then make sure it cools completely before you stir fry it, so you don't end up with like this big mushy mess. So I just boiled the rice before I started cooking, popped it in the fridge, and then chopped all my veggies, got everything ready for the stir fry, made my sauce. The sauce is super simple. It's literally just soy sauce, a little bit of fish sauce, optional if you're vegetarian, totally leave it out, and a little bit of brown sugar. Like, that's it. A little bit of tamarind is also nice in this if you go that way, but if you don't have it, totally leave it out. It's a very forgiving recipe. I always like adding nuts to my stir fries, so a little bit of cashew over there. And use whatever protein you have on hand, or just leave it out. Just add some more egg in there if that's what you like. I had shrimp, so that's what we went with. Shrimp, tofu, chicken, those would probably work really well in this stir fry because they cook quickly. And that's the whole point of this recipe, is that it is going to be ready for you in like 15 minutes. As long as your rice is ready to go, you are good. That's faster than takeout right now. I mean, some of these takeout orders are taking like over an hour, right? So the cinnamon was my secret ingredient in the rice. The basil and the pineapple juice come in a little bit later. The pineapple juice I put into the sauce for a little bit of sweetness. And then the basil will be topped right on top of the rice right at the very end for a little fresh flavor. And I just happen to have this regular basil plant, Italian basil, but if you can find holy basil, that is the traditional way to eat this. Or Thai basil. I think we got cinnamon basil in our stores here. That's another good one. Really, any kind of basil will work. And if you don't find basil, that's fine too. Like I said, just work with what you got. It's an important skill in this day and age, isn't it? It's kind of working through whatever we have in our pantry. And there you go. That's fried rice. The full recipe is on the blog at Rue Story, as always. And come over and say hi. Give me a like, give me a comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay healthy, everyone.